Where's my camera? Oh, there it is. Okay. So in my... Oh my gosh. Finally. Finally, okay. Is it... Okay. So there is new items, which is katana and the portable safe zone, and another big katana and bubble staff, and we just got a new thingy, which is I don't know what it. Oh, so we're gonna what? Oh, hello. Okay, so just found this one. Yeah. Hello. Oh, I can put this. I'm gonna buy. Yo, you can have this. You can have this. Yo, bro. Yo, white. You can have this. Here, you can have it. Here. This is yours. Since you hate me. The big katana is big version. Yeah. So I just got another one. So let's go to the mines. First we have to get him. So remember this. This is gonna be useful. Go on here. And fall on this. And look. There is a green skew thingy. It means it's now we just got it. Now another method. I mean another terrace. It's gonna be in the forest near the chicken. Where is it? Okay, where is it? Oh, right here. Okay, it's right here. I don't know my...
¿En serio? ¿Dónde está?
Oh, hello. I'm just recording a video. Okay. Never mind. Oh, by the way, there is a bundle. You get this one piece. Look at this. Oh, by the way, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. So wish me happy birthday. It's 13th Friday. So yeah, it's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. So you see this? It means it's on here. we just got it. It's near the chicken. I don't know where the heck is chicken, but weird. And the chew of this are in the creator studio. So, I didn't check on the YouTube, so this is gonna be hard. So I go in here. I'll go in here. Okay. Oh. Yes. Where is it? It's near. Right here? No. Right here? Right here? What? Or maybe up. Well, this is something. It's something green. But, oh. Wait, let's use the rocket. Oh, no, it's right there. Oh my gosh, we just got the. So we don't need this. Oh, okay. Let's go. Are they still in here? Or it's gonna be. Oh, he doesn't want this though. I don't know what he was trying to do in here. But... So, we just got a golden thingy, which is here. I'm gonna keep it here. But I have 4 bags, so what should I? Maybe I will sell this since I have other popcorns too. So bye. Oh, it does it like this. This is cool. Cool. Okay, let's sell this. I don't care, is this rare? Oh, wait. Let's sell this. 6. 7. I wouldn't do the 6, 7, but you know. By the way, there is something in here, so I don't know. We want to do that. So now the new app. Look at this. What happened? Record blue. this new fishing rod? Oh, that is. Yeah. Yo. Come on. Let's go do something. I don't care. I hate this place. Let's go. You cannot ride, sadly. So, wish me luck. Okay. So, let's go get the thing. But we're gonna get the. We're gonna get the. Now I'm fishing. I wanna get fishing rod. If you want to yeah, it sells 0 because you cannot sell the free things. Sadly. But this is cool, but let's go to the code fish. But he's still here. There's 2 people. Huh? Oh. Weird. Where is he? Okay. Weird. It's what is this? Baby dragon hat. Actually, dragonfish. Oh, I have it. Never mind. What the hell is this? Flamethrower. Okay. Okay. Ow. Okay. 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 Ventilation. Okay. Okay, never mind. I'll just ignore it. So the goat is gonna be fish because they do a fish giveaway. So you can sell the fish or keep it.
I'm gonna office.
Wait. You mean office or reactor? Because everyone's.
He just didn't make it.
Who's naked?
I just need 3 more.
Good giveaway, bro. Fire giveaway.
Thank you.
I ain't that.
Guys,
selfish.
let's
I'm not gonna take everything there. Come on. Bro,
Okay.
guys, I
you
think
guys got the
Vecna
new
got
fishing
him.
boat?
Guys, Vecna got him. Guys,
Guys, let's go to the-
Vecna's
let's go-
here. Vecna got him. Vecna got him.
Guys, let's go to the new fishing boat.
Guys, I know where it is. I need y'all to follow me.
Not the lake, but the different one. Like, when you go to get your fishing rod, yeah, that's where it is. Delina, bro! You're... Also, why is the water
I
green?
don't have.
Yo, about it every time. Water, you will die. I didn't die when I jumped. But why is the water green? Go to the whirlpool and you go to the... Yeah, don't make it to the bottom, taking it to the boat. Okay, who's the fucking...
Well then, stay. Nice try, buddy.
Why are you trying
Guys,
to kill each
I
other?
have to know.
Guys, stop griefing!
No, guys, the way to get eaten by them.
Guys, the way to get eaten by the Megalodon is to walk the plank. You have to walk off the plank.
I did. Bad boy.
Then it'll eat you.
I'm turning this on.
Oh, eat me, Mom.
Good mission, my friend too.
Guys, I'm gonna go kill the megalodon.
No, shit! It's got my dick and balls! It's got my dick and balls! Ah!
Yeah. This is my home right now.
You wanna
It's
go
bigger than
No.
Island.
Guys,
Guys, you have to have a fish on you, so it lures the megalodon to you. No, brother.
I don't own
My dingo balls are gone. Why are you in here? My dingo balls are gone.
What are you looking at?
It was a female horny shark. Ow!
Yo,
Female horny shark.
guys, we're safe in the water. Come in. Join me. Oh my god, I got
You are not safe in the water, bro.
Yo, join me for a swim. Yo, guys, join me for a swim.
Y'all are not safe in the water. Don't trust him.
Yo, Pug. Yo, Phoenix, join me. Don't do it.
I'm gonna get in the bubble with you. I don't wanna die.
Bro, I can't catch
Well, this is no PvP.
Me too, I wanna die.
Really? Are you serious? Move out the way!
Bro, where is everybody?
What the fuck happened to it, bro?
And the new map.
It's on the water.
In the new fishing map.
It's kind of
Yo,
boring.
can I run young fishing? Give me my fucking fishing! Damn! Can you fucking report this stupid old fucking meat shop? Yo, can I... Oh, this fucking dipshit dog just ate my goddamn fish. The one where there's a cyclops one, he ate that one. Exactly. Got a grenade fish. London off.
Help! Give me this squirty fish, bro. I already have this fish. Is it just me or is it dog? Imagine why are you so loud? Help me! She's gonna bite my dick off again! Oh, hi. Is it just me or is it dog? Help me! Hey! She's gonna bite my dick off again!
Fire giveaway. Fire giveaway. Fire giveaway. Yeah, fire giveaway. Fire.
Yo, how do I go back?
So fire.
How do I go back?
Set up. Fire.
You come here! You come here! He says I'm staring in his mail.
Goku.
Oh, I know.
Hello. Hello.
7 star. That was frigging.
Now come here, I'll revive you. Now come here, I'll revive you.
What is this?
The free-guy fish was too big for the thingy and some dog guy took it and he...
Okay. Okay. So let's go get the new one. Gosh. I think they added, you know. There are some fish. Is it? Yeah. Go. What? Fine now. Okay. What? I need more. No. Go. Come on, Darkman. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Yes. Yes. Good. Good there. What? No. That was. Okay, what is this? What the hell? Come here, is this my brother? No? You man, you are stupid. Okay, it's coming. What? It ain't no fair. That ain't no fair. Come on. Come on, guys. I hate waiting, so... What? My screen is so laggy. What? No fair. I don't know if the fish hates me. Okay. Go chest. Let's get it. I don't need it. Why does it look to me? You? For a fish? Just connect it. Okay. Ale najpierw muszę wędkować. Whoa! I hate this. I better not do it. I think they don't like me. This. Bye.